What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Zeus, Gala afuera. Si te sabes portar bien.
Hey, let him sleep. Be quiet.
Nala.
Librarian.
It's me and the girls. I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién lo hizo? Who chewed it up?
Ow.
Ow.
Mm? Smell it.
I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything. Selected participation.
Excuse you.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy. Right.
Bunu da Özcan bak. Sen de öyle böyle. Aa.
Quite a bit.
Okay, come here then. Come here then. Are you ready? Are you steady? Woo!
Sounds like you take no. You're stuck now.
Hey, jag är en faj!
Ooh, so fancy.
That's my slipper. That's my slipper. Give it to me.
Look. Lily, go get it. Get it.
Stella, have you had a rough day?
Tell me what species this is. Bear. What the f?
Frederico! Que é isso na sua boca? Você tá comendo meu sofá? Moleque! Saci!
No puedo con esto. Yo puedo. No puedo.
Good girl. Go up the slide. Go.
I used to protect him. And I still have to.
She has walked around the tree, and I'm trying to walk around to untangle it, but she just keeps following me. So now we're just walking in circles. Steph, can you stop?
He's like, don't laugh at me.
Luna, come here. Luna, come here. No, don't go outside with that, Luna. Luna, come.
Do you want to go for a walk? You want to go outside? Do you want a treat?
Right, let's see how you go. Good boy. Good boy, run. Go and see Izzy.
Aruba, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego.
Trying to see if my dog matches my energy.
You going to get a haircut? You're not smiling anymore?
Have fun, guys. Have fun. Oh,
know we won't.
Want a sour? Teddy, you want a sour? How about you, Roxy? Do you want a sour? Come on, take a sour.
No, it's okay.
You're so funny.
Bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog.
Where'd it go? Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? There it is.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
What's that? Sit.
Baby, my treat.
Get it! Does it taste bad? Get it! Get it! You're such a pansy. Get the bug. Get the bug.
Give me a kiss. Okay.
If your mum isn't the most annoying person you've ever met in your life, is she really your mum?
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
Good morning to the cutie pie. Looking very nice. Good morning to the cutie pie.
And look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! KO! Here's the cover. Hook of the line.
Le arrancó el pinche coa.
¡Mami!
No, lo dejan. ¿Cómo la pillamos? ¿Cómo la pillamos la señora?
Te dejamos encargada cuidándola.
How the deer got in the yard. Oh my gosh. Now I know how the deer got in the yard. Oh.
There it is.
Did you do that? No. No.
Why are
Winnie? What's wrong? You don't like her outfit?
Bruh.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get his ass. Get him. Get him. Get him. Got it on camera.
My Frenchie is broken, sits on her bum like a human.
Why do you sit like that?
You peed on it. You peed on it. You clean it. You peed on it, you clean it. Yeah.
Is that a lab? No. It looks like a lab mixed with something.
Come on. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be embarrassed. She stopped. She's like, are you going to chase me or what?
มีชื่อว่าปอกคอไม่ได้มาจากรังสัตว์เลี้ยง15 ตัวเราไม่เคยนับเขาอยู่กันหน้าจอทีวี
Pray every fucking morning.
Gary.
One, two, three.
Cool.
Dude, this is fucking legendary. Look at this. Look at this. Just look. It's like she just had a whole meal. Aspen!
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Is this just how you sleep now? What are you doing?